Many businesses have been transformed their trajectory and dedicated their success to excellent operations, and they fashioned their brand recognition beyond any competitors. But there are still other businesses that survive, and they can't barely succeed nor thrive. Why is that? Today I am shining some light on the matter of operational excellence. Watch this short video series as we highlight some truth and strategies. This video is sponsored by Foco Digital and voiced by one of the most prolific actors in the media industry. This is a series of recorded clips of powerful words that define us and make us better. Today's word is about operational excellence.
We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit, said Will Durant. Constant improvement is the nature of any growing business venture, and this needs to be established and kept as a culture in the business to guarantee its lifelong success. Somehow, we mistakenly see perfection instead of excellence, simply because we need to display impressive performance. But for any business to operate excellently, it must find to deliver better results in creating more value for both customers and shareholders by streamlining its processes, innovating new products, and by enabling its people. Operational excellence is about ongoing improvements in an organization to exceed these expectations. Above all, human excellence must be at the center of it, and it is paramount at each business endeavor of any entity if we need to achieve such a noble goal. As the business grows and scales, it is obvious to strategize to obtain operational excellence by maximizing the output by effectively using our human capital and our input materials. As interesting as it sounds, but how can we operate more effectively and efficiently? Can we satisfy all of our customers, partners, and clients through operational excellence? We are the best that we can offer. We must strive and excel at what we do consistently. As a business entity, the best is yet to give the people the tools needed to operate more effectively, to lead better, and perform. Because all excellent operations are based on these four elements that focus on people, processes, products, and platforms. To avoid the business from suffering major losses on poor performance, the people of the organization need to embrace excellence. And they must use their human and emotional intelligence as the vessels which will give them the best outcomes of any situation. They must improve the processes which they operate and administer, such as recording, evaluating, and optimizing to control risks and opportunities and improve their effectiveness. Only then we will see how innovative they are to bring new and amazing products that their customers want and are willing to pay for. This way, we can use our platforms to target more potential customers, satisfy their needs and wants, and reach new markets. Excellence is what we all should strive for, so we can create more long-term value with efficient and effective systems and perform more sustainably. It is the real fabric of a leading organization because it does improve all aspects of the business. The more we excel and improve constantly, we will create new and better opportunities for others. While it's painful to overcome the learning curve of excellence, its rewards are sweet and highly celebrated as an anchoring value to do business. We must celebrate human excellence first, and then we will be able and capable of attaining operational excellence in our organization.
Thanks for watching and listening this series of clips of words that define us. We truly enjoy sharing these strategies and truth of powerful words that can make a difference in all of us. This clip is brought to you by our sponsor Foco Digital. Want to start selling more coupons locally and advertise your product offering online? Download the Foco app and visit their website at www.focodigitalcorp.com. Want to see more clips? Then support our sponsor so we can create more of them and make them available at no cost to you.